A drip, drip, drip from your faucet isn't just a minor annoyance. In Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, homes just like yours face this issue every day, leading to wasted water and rising utility bills. But it's more than just the drip. It's about the valuable resources we're letting slip away, one drop at a time. And here in Oklahoma City, every drop counts. Fortune smiles upon those who act. Dial 1-877-665-6532 now and let our qualified professionals put an end to that leak. Swiftly, efficiently, they'll fix your faucet, preventing any further waste and helping you save on those bills. Don't let a dripping faucet dampen your spirits. Stand with your fellow Oklahomans who've trusted us to solve their leaky problems, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with expert faucet repair. We're here to turn those drips into smiles. Dial 1-877-665-6532. Your faucet could be fixed today. Oklahoma City, we're just a call away.